Hey, what's up, everybody? This is John Face Moto. Just coming at you today with a little update video on the Yamaha Roadstar. I have a lot of people asking questions about different setups from older videos. Um, the current setup I have right now is Dan Moto 2-in-1 Highwayman exhaust, which is a great exhaust system. Thing sounds great. Good performance. I've updated the ignition to the Dyna 3000, which is a great. I mean that's a really good modification to do. Brings those RPMs way up there to like 5,000. And I also have since gone pumpless. Deleted the fuel pump, which was probably one of the best mods I've done, besides the Barnett spring clutch spring kit. That was an outstanding mod to do. I think my springs failed me at like 20,000 miles or something like that. So it's definitely a good. I mean, the clutch is unbelievably strong now. It never fails. I've had it for a few years now. The other thing was the pumpless was the way to go. That bike is woken up so much since I've done that. I've had problems in the past where, higher RPMs, it always felt like it was starved for fuel. And I don't know if it was just a bad fuel pump or if it just couldn't keep up with the mods that I've done before I did the delete. But now it's just like a whole different bike. The thing cranks. It's got tons of power. Idle starts faster, easier, less warm-up time. It's just really good. Also the Dan Moto 2-in-1 is an awesome pipe. I don't know if they're hard to find now. I've heard rumors that they're kind of hard to find. But that's a really good thing to do. But yeah, pumpless. I just did the Roadstar Clinic. Basically followed that to the T. Just everything they line it out for you, outline it. I just followed everything, the Grizzly needle, all that stuff. And I did I rejetted to the specs that they suggest. Works awesome. Might be different for you depending on what sea level, where you are in the country or the world. I might have to fiddle around with the jets a little bit, but either way, it's a great mod. I've also done some, I did some new graphics on it. That's pretty much it. I just had a lot of questions. The air filter, I've gone with the 1980 oval K&N, which is a great filter. It's very simple. It just goes, it bolts right onto the carburetor itself, and it's a rubber mount. So there's no issues with it cracking or breaking because it's rubber, so it dampens the vibrations from the motor. I've had it I've had it on there for about a year now. Thing performs great. Easy to clean, take it off. It's a small filter. It's nice. It looks good, I think. I've experimented over the years with different intake setups. If you go back and watch some of the old videos, I got the generic Spike Air Clean off Amazon. Had that for a while. That filter was kind of trash, so I changed out the filter for basically a car cold air intake filter. You get it like AutoZone. Ran that for a while. That was pretty good. But the K&N it seems to be like the perfect ratio for what I'm running. Thing runs great, and it's low profile enough where it's not sticking, hitting your leg, and all that stuff. So that's what I got now, but I wanted to just do a quick walk around the bike, just let you see the new updates. A lot of people asking questions about older videos, so just wanted to do a quick update, let you guys check out the bike. And if you have a Roadstar, know anybody's got a Roadstar, suggest a video, give the video a like, and subscribe to the channel. Got more content coming up, Roadstar related. Other things coming up and down the pipeline. So thanks for your support, and stay tuned for the walk around, and I'll see you on the next one.